Hi, boys and girls. Happy Monday. We are back to work on some more segmenting sounds and listening for the sounds we hear in words to make us really good readers and writers. And today, I just want to start with reviewing our digraphs because I'm going to be throwing some digraphs into our lesson. And I know that you've worked on these a lot. We want to review them to make sure we hear them. Remember, our digraphs, sometimes they're called the H brothers. Let me flip my screen so this is the right way for you. Sometimes people call them the H brothers too, because if you notice, or you could say H sisters, but they all end with H. But remember, the rule about a digraph, it is two letters that when we push it together, it makes one sound. So when we talk about how many sounds we hear, if I hear shh, I know that SH has two letters in it, but the only sound I hear is shh. So it would make one sound. Okay. Same with TH. It's two letters that make one sound. So I see the letters TH, but it only says, same with WH. It is two letters that make one sound. So when I see WH, I hear, and that's kind of a hard sound to hear because it's a lot of air. I kind of over exaggerated the that time. And then CH is our last one we work with. And again, you see the C and you see the H, but when you put it together, it makes one sound, and that sound is ch. So today I'm going to be throwing some of these digraphs in when we're listening to sounds in the activity that we're doing. And again, we count it as one sound because all we hear is sh or ch or th or w. We don't hear the s and the h for sh. So, you ready to get your thinking hats on? All right, let me shrink my screen. And we are going to do a little activity called Froggy Hop today. And we are going to be our little frog. I'm going to say some words or some chunks, and our frog is going to hop how many times we hear that. Now, what you're going to do is pretend that your hand is a frog. So you can make a fist, frog fist this way to hop. You can put ears, and it could be a bunny hop, but your hand is going to hop with me. So this is your lily pad, and your hand is going to hop as we say the sound. So you're going to make sure that you're doing the hopping just like the frog is doing. Okay, so let's start out with something a little less, something we've done, and we'll get a little bit trickier as we go. Remember, I'm going to be throwing digraphs in here, so we have to be really listening today, okay? All right, here we go. So let's start with something like this. App, app. Stretch out those sounds. App, app. So our job today is to figure out how many sounds we hear, and our frog is going to hop for each sound we hear. I want you to make sure that you're hopping with your hand, and you can just hop up and down too. That's fine. Ready? Up. Let's hop the frog. Ready? Up. How many hops did Froggy have? How many sounds do you hear in up? Two. Very good. Two. Up. He hopped two. Good. Let's do another one. Ready? It. 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 How many hops? How many sounds do we hear in it? Let's hop with Froggy. Ready? It. How many sounds do we hear in it? Two. It. Good. All right, let's put Froggy back to start. You ready? Let's do at. At. Now that's not a word, but let's just stretch it and listen for the sounds. At. At. Let's see how many hops Froggy has. Ready? At. Did you hop with your hand? How many hops did Froggy get? Two hops. Very good. All right, let's move back. Let's try the word cat. Let's stretch it first. At. Cat. All right, ready to hop with your frog hands? Here we go. Let's see how many hops Froggy has. At. How many hops? Three. Yes, 1, 2, 3. At. And boys and girls, just to remind you, the reason why we need to hear these sounds is because when you are writing, you have to be able to hear all of those sounds. Actually, even when you're reading too, when you're blending, you've got to be able to hear those sounds to help you blend. All right, let's try another one. How about dig? D-ig. Dig. Let's see. Ready? D-ig. How many haps? 3. Froggy had 3 haps. D-ig, dig. Good. All right. Ready? Here's our next one. Ready? Shop. 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 Let's see how many haps we have. Ready? Shop. Shop. How many haps did Froggy have? Yes, he had 3. Now, if I was going to type the letters for that word, let me move Froggy out of here. Let's look at this. SH. So we have 4 letters in the word, but only 3 sounds. So SH says shh. So it gets 1 hap. It's 1 sound. Sh, ah, p, shop. Good. All right, let me get rid of the letters. Oops, I don't want to do that. I got rid of the whole box. Sorry about that, friends. Let me delete the letter. Try this again. So let's do Froggy back here. Come here, Froggy. All right. Let's try the word wet. 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 Ready? Let's have Froggy hap. Wet. Wet. How many haps did Froggy had? He had 3 haps. Wet. And if I wrote that time it would match up because it would be W, E, and T. And that's just 3 letters. So let me show you that. W says W. E says T, T, T. T says T. So in this case, there's 3 letters, 3 sounds. But remember, with our digraphs, it's 2 letters make 1 sound. All right, we're going to do a couple more. Here we go. All right, let's try the word chop. Chop. Ch, ah, p, chop. Ready? Let's hop Froggy. You should be hopping with your hand. Ch, ah, p, chop. How many hops did Froggy have? He had 3 hops, 3 sounds. Ch, ah, p, chop. Oop, I'm out of the screen, sorry. Even though that ch would be a CH, that's 1 sound that we hear. Very good. All right, ready? How about the word whip? Whip. Whip. Ready? Whip. How many sounds did you hear? 3. Very good. All right, last one. Let's do thick. Thick. Ready? Let's have Froggy hop. Thick. How many sounds did you hear? Yeah, 3 sounds in Froggy again. Great. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. I just wanted to really review hearing how many sounds we heard in a word because that helps us when we start reading and writing. You're going to have a seesaw activity to do today, probably one that's featuring Froggy and letting us know how many sounds you hear in words. And we will be back tomorrow to do more segmenting. Have a great night.